Hey there, it's Amelia, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create these really cool, easy to make apple tree crafts. So what you'll need is you'll need some colored Froot Loops. You'll need at least one toilet paper roll, more if you're going to create more trees. At least one piece of construction paper. You could use a green color, or you can use white or yellow. Actually, any color you like. I'm going to use yellow today just because it's nice and bright for you to see on the video. And you'll also need some glue. Now, you could use regular glue, but I like tacky glue just because it's a bit thicker and it dries fast. So I'm going to use that, and also you'll need some scissors. So kids use safety scissors or parent supervision. And so to get started, what I'm going to have you do is take your piece of construction paper and fold it in half. You're going to end up cutting it in half, but what you can do is go ahead and fold it in half. And I like to just kind of press real hard here and there. This way you'll have a nice line in it. You can also measure and cut in half, but I just kind of tend to do this. And then if you like, you can tear it. I'm just going to give it one more like that. Okay, and then I'm going to tear it in half. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cut out the top of the tree, and you can actually make two if you like. Now I've gone ahead and made a template for the tree, top of the tree. Just think of basically like drawing a cloud, sort of like this. And the bottom you could leave like a little bit flatter, but what you can do is take like a crayon or a marker and just draw something that looks like a cloud. So I'm just going to put this to the side and show you how easy it is. I'll just kind of make do in the air here. Okay, and then you're going to take your scissors, and again I have two pieces of construction paper here. So you could make two, you can vary the colors, and just cut, do your best, and cut around the line there. You can even go a little bigger if you like. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to turn it around and see how that looks. Very good. Alrighty. Now, you might want to lay something down because when you glue, the glue might get on the table. So we're just going to put our tops of our trees on the side for now. The next thing you want to do is decide what color Froot Loops you want to use for your tree. So I would say to sort them out first. I'm going to mix mine up and use yellow, red, and orange, and maybe throw in a few green. So I'm going to sort out my red, and I'm going to pick like 5 of each color. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red. Put those down. And I will pick out 5 yellow. Ooh, they're really sticking together. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see if I could find another yellow one. There we go. All right, so I got 5 yellow. And next I'm going to get orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange, that is. And I think I'll throw in some green. So I got 1, 2, ooh, running a little low on the green. Let's see, what do I got here? Maybe I'll add some blue just for fun. 4, and let's see if I have any more green ones. Here we go. So I got some, we'll just pretend they're all green. Green and blue ones. Excellent. All right, so we'll put our Froot Loops on the side. And I think what I'll do is I'm going to take this used white piece of paper and just put that on the bottom to protect it from the glue. And now I'll take one of my tops of the tree. So what you want to do is the bottom is the part that's going to sit in the toilet paper roll. So you don't want to put a ton of Froot Loops right here. Maybe just leave a space here. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our glue and put about, I want to say, you know, like 15, 18, you know, 20 if you want dots of glue. So, ooh. All right, here we go. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, oops, getting a little sloppy there, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and I'll do 18. Alrighty, now we have our glue. Now we're going to go to our Froot Loops and place the Froot Loops. Maybe vary the color. Put like a yellow one here, and then an orange one, and mix it up. Put a green one, a red one, and we'll stick a blue one here, orange, and red. Ooh, do wish I had some more green ones. Okay. There. So I'm just slightly pressing, and then we're going to go back and just give them one more press. And what you want to do is, if you're using regular glue, just wait maybe like 15-20 minutes, maybe half hour, and just go back and just press them. And I forgot to mention that you'll want to definitely make sure that you're on a very flat surface, because you don't want the paper to curl. So you just want to give it a little press down on each. Okay, and then we're going to put that to the side. Now you're going to have to wait to let that dry. So that's why I like to use the tacky glue. It dries a little faster. So I'm going to grab one that's already done. So here's one that I did earlier, and it's all dry. So just be careful if you're if it's still wet. You don't want to put it on the toilet paper roll too soon, because then the Froot Loops will fall off. So what you want to do with your toilet paper roll is cut 2 2-inch slits, and you want to make sure that they are at the same point like this. So, you know, if need be, you can draw a little line. What I like to do is press down like just slightly. This way you can cut both of them at the same time. That's good. Alrighty, and just kind of flatten it back out. And I'm going to, oops, I want to have the slits up at the top. And I want to take my tree and insert it in the slots. And there you go. And there's your tree. And I'm going to show you some other ones I've made. Here's a green one with red Fruit Loops. And here's a green one with fall theme colors. And then finally I have a light green one that has some green and red, sort of Christmassy. So I hope you enjoyed that craft. I forgot to mention that I have a detailed article on the craft that has all the instructions along with some other Apple themed activities that you might like. And for that, you'll want to go to my Hub Pages platform. That's hubpages.com/art/Apple-themed-crafts. Bye now.